Hi guys, welcome to this video. So guys, there is a great announcement for you. So finally the wait is over for all of you. So you can see finally generative AI interview bootcamp came over the Euron platform because many people were asking for this particular course. Like they have learned about generative AI, but when it comes to interview preparation, they are facing the difficulties. Like they're asking, sir, what kinds of question they may ask in the interview, what kinds of, let's say, topic we should prefer. So everything guys is included in this particular course. And again, the course mentor would be Sudhanshu sir. Okay, so again, this would be a great opportunity for you because he has many years of working experience in the industry. So he will be discussing about the entire interview questions, all the architecture, okay, concept, and each and everything. So you can see this course is starting from 17th February 2025, and the class timing would be Monday to Friday 9 p.m. IST to 11 p.m. IST, and the course language would be in English mode. So you can check the entire curriculum. That means from the introduction itself, like GenAI APIs, platform, generative AI models, architecture, then retrieval augmented generation, that means RAG, then agentic AI. Okay, agentic AI would be also included, like whatever questions they may ask from the agentic AI. Then fine tuning of a large language model, architecture for GenAI application. You can see there are different kinds of architecture. Okay, even you can see some additional modules we have also added. So again guys, this course would be completely in depth. So here you will be learning about the complete interview preparation and the architecture discussion, obviously. So this course will give you the enough confidence whenever you are attending for any kinds of interview. So please try to check this course. I will add the link in the description, and the course price is super affordable, only $23. And if you have Euron Plus subscription guys, so you don't need to buy this course separately. Just try to take the Euron Plus subscription. Okay, all the course you can access from the Euron site. So yes guys, this was the announcement, and finally guys, this is happening, okay, over the Euron, because you can see there is no such kinds of course okay, so far for the interview preparation for generative AI. So please try to check this, and I wish this course will help you a lot. Even you can prepare for the interview in a very professional way. So please try to check out this course. With that guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.